This is Kawatin Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. My brother, how's it?
Hey, Shabsha, my follower, man. I'm happy, man.
Yeah. What's your take on the game today?
It was a good football game. We enjoyed the supporters. The boys, they played a good football. But us, as Kaiser Chiefs, we are happy. We are happy because at least Sundowns got 1 point, Pirates got 1 point. At least Sundowns of this season doesn't show danger the way they were showing danger last season. That time they were having a rebel. So no rebel at Sundowns, no danger. So I want to say thank you Orlando Pirates. At least we are close. Sundowns is on 22 points. Sekhukhune is on 21 points. Pirates Chiefs were on 19. At least we are challenging Sundowns. So this season I don't see Sundowns defending this title. You are going to tell me.
What do you think Sundowns might not take this league? What might be the problem?
I think Sundowns, that issue of saying no, we won the PSL 8 times consecutive, they are over too excitement with that issue award. So Sundowns must wake up. You can win PSL 8 times in a row, but this season we are going to challenge you because you relax too much. You relax too much because you think you are entitled to PSL title. So this season we are going to challenge you. If either Pirates win the lead or Sekhukhune or Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns no. So I want to say to Amakosi, the only team that won this weekend is only Kaizer Chiefs. All these teams they didn't win. It's only Kaizer Chiefs that win. They must know that. And the last one, Mapolova. The last one, I want to tell the Sundowns fan base, Pirates fan base, please Pirates, accept that you are out of camp. Stop crying. You are out of camp. You are being eliminated. Stop crying. You are not going to come back inside the camp. You are out of camp. So accept and move on. And go and play for your Cali Black Label. MTN is where you belong. Leave camp issues to Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns and Stellenbosch. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.